Now there's quite a big community online of M20 owners, and that's when you realize that this bike is a bit special.
Sorry, sir.
Pig in the way.
Pig in the middle. Wow.
Right. Now that I've put it all together, I'm going to take it for a spin. So stick around so I can tell you a bit about it and how the ride was after I come back.
Wow.
It's a new way to make her howl. I'm going. Bye.
Molly. Wow.
That is a lot of fun. This is the ENGWE M20. Actually, it's the M20 Plus because, yep, it's got two batteries. It's got two 13 amp hour batteries, and it gives you a total range of 150 kilometers without pedal assist. That is insane. Out of all the other electric bikes we have, this is definitely the one you need if you want a long range. So 150 kilometers is huge. And I mean, how cool does that look, right? Two headlights. I'll turn them off so I don't blind you. Two awesome headlights. I love the seat. It's like a motorbike seat. It has seven speed Shimano gears, and you can change the speed. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 speed. Your light switch is just here. Horn. The brakes are solid as ever. And you can open this for the compression, for the suspensions, for the front suspensions. And there's also the back suspension as well over here. It's really a comfortable ride. I mean, our road isn't the best, and coming down that, even at speed, I wasn't feeling a thing. And check out these fat tires. It's like a motorbike, hey? It's really amazing. It's a 750 watt brushless motor, and I love it. We've had it for about 3 or 4 months, and I've just been using it to go to town for shopping, and I hardly ever charge it because I've got the two batteries. It was really simple to put together. Didn't take much at all, and the instructions were pretty spot on. Even to connect the second battery up, you just have to take off the back seat, and then there's instructions, and you just plug it all in. Basically, very simple and awesome. Now, there's quite a big community online of M20 owners, and that's when you realize that this bike is a bit special, you know? Like, there's so many electric bikes nowadays, but for there to be an M20 owners group, you know that a lot of people are buying it, and there's a reason for that, because it's so cool. So if you want one of these beauties, or for someone special in your life, it is Christmas after all, we'll put the link in the description below. I'm so happy with this thing, I tell you. Beauty. It's just so cool. Right, I'm out of here.